Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Capcut does not always provide a one-button zoom that fits every shot. Use keyframes to animate scale and position precisely over time. Open your project and select the clip you want to zoom into. Tap or click the keyframe icon at the current playhead position to add a starting keyframe. Leave scale and position unchanged for your starting frame so the clip begins naturally. Adding keyframes is the only reliable way to make smooth, controlled zooms in Capcut. Move the playhead to the frame where the zoom should begin and add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the frame where the zoom should end and add a second keyframe there. Select the ending keyframe and increase scale to your target percent while watching the preview. Adjust position X and Y values to keep the subject centered during the zoom. Optionally apply an ease curve to smooth the movement and avoid abrupt speed changes. Always preview your zoom at full resolution before exporting to check quality and framing. If the zoom feels too fast, drag the ending keyframe farther along the timeline to slow it down. Avoid scaling beyond 200% whenever possible because image quality degrades noticeably after that point. Consider cropping source footage or using higher resolution source if you need stronger zooms. When satisfied,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.